Hello, my name is Eduardo. Today we are going to replace the high beam bulbs in my 2015 Volkswagen Passat. The first step is to disconnect the battery, which I already did, so we are safe. Okay, it shouldn't touch the battery at all. The next step is to remove this rubber dust cover. Okay, and you can see there the original connector in the lamp. We are going to remove that by pressing this tab, and we will pull. I am going to push up the tab and remove the connector and the bulb. Do it again. It's giving me a hard time. Okay, as you can see, the bulb is out. The next step is going to carefully remove the bulb itself. Okay, I think I won't record that because I need my two hands for that. Be careful. Now I have the original bulb out, and you can see here the connector that we are going to use to install the Lasfit bulbs. This is the package from Lasfit. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Okay, I can see here the dust covers that will replace this original dust cover. Okay, come with two of them. And then, nice, very professional. Okay, so I will put pause to open it, and I will continue. I opened the box, so we have instructions, and we have some marketing material. As you can see, these are the bulbs, and they come with a connector. And this is the, I will say, the resistor that will go connected to this particular piece. Okay, so let's start, let's do it. Okay, now I will connect the resistor piece like that, very easy, right? And then I am going to pull the lamp, the bulb from Lasfit, and I am going to insert it here. Okay, and then carefully, without overdoing it. Okay, that part is done. Make sure that you don't touch the bulb itself. And now, do you see these two parts? This is where the new bulb is going to slide in. I have installed the bulb. You can see how clear it is, how white it is. And now I will compare with my original, right? This is kind of orange. Now you can notice that this is also a LED bulb from Lasfit, but this is for low beam. So next I need to replace this one. I will stop.